Today at JJ's Appliques, I will show you how to create a personalized reversible key fob using my circle blank key fob design. A reversible key fob requires 2 hoopings, and you can make one using these supplies shown. First, you'll make the back and set it aside. Then you make the front, but with this hooping, after the personalization is added, you leave it in the hoop, you'll turn it over, attach the back previously made, triple stitch it together, making it reversible. Now let's get to the blank design. Here I'm showing you both stitch maps to make the reversible design. On the left is the bottom, and on the right is the top. Using your own software or your embroidery machine, you can add your own personalization to any of the blanks. For both the front and the back designs, the first 2 stitch map steps are for outline and placement of vinyl. The third step on the stitch map is for stitching your customization. Use this step's shape as a guide only to add your font, saying, or design. It is not meant to be stitched, rather it is in the step or order in which your customized font or design should be stitched into the design. And I'm ready to start. So with the hoop on, I have my design loaded for the bottom or back piece of the reversible design. I have my customization already entered in, and I'm ready to go. Stitch out step 1 of the stitch map. And then remove your hoop from the machine. Step 1, stitch the placement outline for your vinyl. I like to sticky spray mine and then place it. Making sure to cover up the entire outline. And then go back to the machine. With your hoop back on the machine, stitch out step 2 of the stitch map. Now on step 3 of the stitch map, you should already have your design or fonts loaded for your customization. So go ahead and stitch out your customization in place of step 3, the shape. So with your hoop on your machine, stitch out your customization, statement, or design. Once your customization for the back of the key fob is complete, remove your hoop from the machine. With your hoop off the machine, remove your design from the hoop. And then cut it out about 1/4 of an inch or so from the outside edges. Then set it aside. Hoop cutaway stabilizer and get your vinyl for the top piece. Head toward your machine. I'm I'm ready to stitch out the top of the reversible key fob. Stitch out the first step on the stitch map. I'm ready to stitch out the top of the reversible key fob. Hoop stabilizer, stitch out the first step on the stitch map. Remove your hoop from the machine. As with the bottom layer, choose your vinyl. Use sticky spray if you want to. I like to. Place the vinyl down to cover the entire outline of the design and go back to the machine. With your hoop back on your machine, stitch out step 2 of the stitch map.